me, please don't get up on me, don't mess up the aura, I ain't anybody. Do my little dance while I think I got.
Second location is Coldstone, right down the road. We're going to Coldstone. This place is packed.
Already getting kicked out. Today is the last day to get into the Smile Makeover or $30,000 cash giveaway. And in 3 random orders, I'm gonna be putting this pair of inch and metric assorted bolts and nuts from boltsandnuts.com. Shout out to you guys for making this happen. You're also getting entered into Cleetus McFarland's CT5 Blackwing giveaway. So that's right, just $5 spent on one sticker enters you into this giveaway, the Smile Makeover or $30,000 cash giveaway, and Cleetus McFarland's CT5 Blackwing. And check out these new straw hats. These things are 7 entries into this giveaway. It has the RPM logo on the front, and then we've got the tool flag underneath. These came out super sick. We've been waiting for months for them. Let's get to the video. All right, guys, so the ZR1's been down since the ice cream cruise. The throttle body just took a crap. The traction control went crazy, and then had a bunch of plays. So the car's been throwing codes. Finally back, and I got a refreshed throttle body from Nick Williams. It's 112 millimeters. So we're gonna work on this thing and get it going again so I can bring it home. And somehow I gotta squeeze it out past the limo. Got the twin turbo Blue F-150 pulled out. But as you can see, there is a lot of horsepower in this barn here. And somehow I gotta, once I get this car started, I gotta kind of get it out of here without hitting the toter or Donnie or the supercharged limo. So let's get to work. So this is the problem. This is what went bad. This blade actually had some play in it. And this is not Nick Williams' fault. This car's computer is just so aggressive on the traction control, and it manages it by opening and closing the throttle body like this. So the old one failed. I sent it over to Nick, and he got it refreshed and out the same day. Shout out to these guys for making an awesome part, and then also incredible customer service. So we need to get this back on the car so that we can get it down the road again.
New year, new money, but it's the same old me. Need the yard that don't come cheap before I get 8 gold teeth. They wanna play with sticks and stones, I'm calling them Jamie T. Up chasing coins like Sonic, could trust me, they don't sleep. Play my songs out of whip, she said keep that on repeat. Gotta calculate steps, I gotta take a step back and breathe. Life got busy, I turned 18, moved out, all that I had was a dream. Wanna see all of my people free, but I ain't Martin Luther. I just get on the stage and sing. Better be ready for stress that all of that paper bring. ADHD, I can't wait for do my own thing, I hate the script. My man looks like a clone of my man, really he ain't got drip. If I pull up, I'm trying to get paid. 10 toes down, I want set pays. Hop in the booth, the beat get laced. I make it look easy, mate. Can't break down and cry, I put in blood, sweat and years. It's only when you face your fears, you watch them all disappear.
Well, ladies and gents, the Corvette is finally back together and working. It seems like every single time I drive this car though, it rains. And so I'm currently driving in the rain, which is not ideal for the tires that are on this car. The chef's kiss for the Hellcat build. We got 2 items we gotta cross off. The first one was outfit and some lights. Now obviously this is just gonna be for track use because they're reds and blues and ambers, but we're up here at Flash Equipment in Sarasota, and they got us hooked up with a light bar, a PA siren system. So we're gonna, I haven't even seen it run yet. Dude, this car needed it though. It just looks so boring without it, didn't it? I mean, the performance is there, but.
Oh, the front ones too.
Oh, look at the front, the glass, dude. This thing's gonna be so rowdy doing a burnout with sirens.
Yeah.
And then I think there's one in the back glass too. Yep, look at that, reds and blues right there. No, I'm not a cop. I'm not trying to impersonate a police officer. This is for track use only.
Sir, you're gonna need to get off the burnout pad.
Something pull up here.
TBM car.
That's it. Development car.
What's that?
Development car. I think Tanner made the brake kit.
Yeah, you guys did make the brake kit off of this thing. Don't mind the wiring harness, we're redoing that, but everything else is pretty dialed in.
Yeah, it looks like it's been in service for a little while.
You see the brakes? They're holding in strong. We've off-roaded with them. They've been in salt water. They're not as polished as they used to be, but they're doing great.
Yeah, I mean, that's all that matters as long as they work. I mean, cleaning them, that's on you, not on us.
Right? Oh, cool. We were just in the area that would come by and show you guys the car. You guys cranking, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you got lumberjack in here.
Yeah, we're doing a little brake upgrade on lumberjack. It's actually coming to get that a little bit later. Well, they're very old used parts. Yeah, it's a safety thing.
Yeah.
So
Sweet. You see the football in the rear spring? No. You should see this. Because the car squats so much on that side that they put a football to hold it up.
So this is TBM Brakes here in Bradenton, Florida. All of the brakes are manufactured here. So street brakes, race brakes, everything we make.
Everything happens
in this building. So all the material comes in the rough shape and size that we need it for, depending on what it's doing. We have the saw here.
Is this how the calipers started? The rotors?
So that would be like a rotor hat, like center of the hat.
Yeah.
The calipers are going to be more like, I think this is XS3 calipers.
Okay.
The start or something like this. Different versions of alloy depending on what it's going in or what it's used for. This machine actually has what's called a gimbal. So it's not a robot. The machine does it all inside. So there's a box there and then a stack of parts here. And then it will actually use the machine head to come down, grab the part, and then move it over. So for smaller parts, you can turn this machine into an automated machine as well.
Brackets for different brakes.
Yeah, so these are C-sections. These are actually going between the caliper halves.
Okay.
It's actually, where the fluid transfers through. So he's making that stuff in there right now. Yeah.
Cool.
And then Gary, he was our first robot. He's doing Gary. Yeah. Gary's the workhorse. He's been here for a long time. He was the first one that Tanner installed, and he's doing race calipers right now.
Is it a cast piece that you get here?
Yeah. So the race brakes start off actually as a forging. So this is a forged aluminum piece that gets cut after the fact. The street brake is a full billet caliper. That starts off from the stock over there, and we actually are doing some race brakes now in a billet caliper as well.
Sweet. So it starts like this and ends up like this?
Yep. Exactly.
Thanks. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I mean, this sets all the, this is the rough shape, and then this gets all the tolerances where it needs to be.
Shout out to Gary.
And then back here is caliper assembly. We have 2 technicians that work here full time for rebuild services and then new calipers as well. People, if you have a problem with your caliper, you can send it in. We can rebuild it, recertify it, test it, get it back to you.
I should probably do that. It's been a while.
Yeah, if they're on a car a long time, then it's a good thing to kind of do.
After salt water and mud and neglect, it's probably time to get them looked at, gone through.
Might need some seals and maybe a piston or two.
Yeah. But,
we pressurize each one. We hold the pressure in there for a certain amount of time. Make sure there's no leaks, functioning how
every
it should.
product's tested before it leaves the shop.
Everyone.
That's so cool.
Yeah, everyth's put on a table, measured, checked. All the calipers are tested.
I feel like a lot of production companies like this would just test every 10th part that comes through the line, not every single one. So that's really cool. There you go, guys. That's TBM Brakes here in Bradenton, Florida. They've got 10% off until Sunday at midnight. Their Black Friday special. So let's get back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put Christmas lights on your car the right way with just some simple things off of Amazon. Start off, we have an oversized power inverter. This is 1,000 watts. It is total overkill for this project, but I wanted to invest in a power inverter. We've also got painter's tape that matches the paint of the car. We've all seen the reels of cars with Christmas lights on them, and it looks like absolute crap because they use black duct tape on a white car. And then we have over 300 feet of these LED stripped wiring. I personally don't like the Christmas lights that dangle because they can blow as you're driving and scratch your vehicle. These ones in particular are on a string and have LEDs every 4 to 6 inches. It's also programmable by your phone, and so you can do all different kinds of moods, colors, and all sorts of stuff to really make your car pop with the Christmas lights on it. So the first thing we need to do is get this power inverter mounted up to the car. So let's do that, get it wired up, and then we'll start throwing the Christmas lights on.
I want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys do you top list. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need to top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody.
Finally got the lights done on the Noble. I think it came out pretty sick next year. I think we got to double down on the lights. What do you think?
100%.
100%. But for now, got a little tree on the ZR1 and we got the Hellcat here. All the boys are home. We're going to head to a car meet tonight, go have some fun. Let's get it.
Hey, ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. New me, no time to waste. Look at me and see I don't play. I keep running on out of shape. Need a hero, go find a cake. New me, no time to waste. Look at me and see I don't play. I keep running on out of shape. Need a hero, go find a cake. Hey, no need for the B-roll. I was masked up with no hero. Breakfast in the morning, it was cereal and an Ebro. That boy keep going in, I can't let it go, but get lethal. Watch how I'm showing it from JFK down to Heathrow again. I gotta keep going and I beat the Rico again. I'm going beast mode again, keep flowing and keep knowing that I've arrived and keep blowing it. 5 aside, that ball's going in, man. Each time I never blow it, I'm in my prime. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. New me, no time to waste. Look at me, you see I don't play. I keep running on out of shape. Need a hero, go find a cake. New me, no time to waste. Look at me, you see I don't play. I keep running on out of shape. Need a hero, go find a cake. No need for the B-roll, I was masked up with no hero. Breakfast in the morning.
Second location is Cold Stone, right down the road. We're going to Cold Stone. This place is packed.
Already getting kicked out. This is pumping. This guy and I've been chatting on Insta for a while. We.R.Run. And they put on, you guys put on like legal sideshows and stuff. Who? At tracks?
Yeah, Auburndale Speedway, January 10th,
Legal.
my birthday.
Legal. So we gotta take the Hellcat out there and show them how to do a burnout.
We.R.Run calls me at 7-Eleven saying we're about to get shut down. He's like, can we come to Costa? I say, yeah, sure, why not? You know?
Shows up with half the city.
Listen,
You know we gotta get ice cream though.
Can we get ice cream after this?
In it, you're tripping. This kid ain't got no limit. Billion but I ain't finished. Kept my head down, I'm still it. Do it for me, you do it for them. Don't need saving, which one spent? Ain't joking, nah, I'm being gen.